Hello guys, ngayong gabi. So, agabi gani. So, this is a tutorial how to install ng VS Code na pwede maranan Python. So, start off, we need our Visual Studio download. Download na na si Visual Studio. So, dito siya. Download. Hold na siya mag-download. And then, one more thing, we need our Python. So, ara na siya na dua. So, start by downloading, or installing. Make sure na naka-check ni sila dua. Then, makreate na lang ito din this icon. Then, next, install. Utunta lang. Then, finish. So, for now, i-exit ko lang nila na si Visual Studio and then I'll proceed to install ang Python. So, i-customize installation ko sa and then next and then install. Check ko na lang tinitanan and then install. Yes. Cancel na na. Liwat na na. Gimbalik. Close. Liwat. So, dapat i-check tagin i-check ko na lang tanan. Customize. And then next. Then check tatanan. And install. Yes. Tunta lang nga matapos. Okay ba? Pwede lang. Worth it man Recompiling standard library. Ay, kadugay. Close. Para guys, step 1. So, download and install VS Code. Next is install Python. Make sure make sure nga yan mo ni choose the customization installation. And then step 3, install Python extension. Step 3. So how to install Python extension? So syempre open ta to Visual Studio Code, and then go here, type Python ang spelling, and then gitaon to tong may Microsoft sa ari. So ara na install na gani installed naman ni. So goods na ta. We have all the extensions we need. So correct na ni ang check na ni sa. Next step is create a new folder and project. So butang ta ma-create ko di folder sa desktop. Ilang ko ba? Project. And ara na naka step 4. Ay. Salamat. Create folder. Next. And then, since naka-create na to folder, tapos na ni, so naka-create na to folder, i-open to ning aton folder. So, i-open to sa, and then select folder. So, ara na si Project Pandas naka-open na. And then, open a new terminal in VS Code. Kuno, ito paano mag-open? Terminal, new terminal. And the next, step 5. Step 6 is create a virtual environment. So, paano ta mag-create virtual environment? So, create a virtual environment. So, step 1. So, syempre may terminal ta to. So, paano mag-create virtual environment? I-type ta lang ni sa Python so i-type ta -m enter, and then hold on to lang. So, ara na guys, it means ara na kaya ari na may BNB na may virtual environment na ta. Next is i-activate ang virtual environment. So, how? And then activate. Step 7. So, type this terminal. Ay. So, ma-type naman to sa terminal. So, what do we type in the terminal? Ang i-type ta is ari. So, i-type ta is ari period /vnv/scripts activate. So matabo may amo na ni sa BNV, and then this one. Next is we will install pandas. Type sorry sa guys, sangin type pwede copy paste, pero kung wala ka mo internet or wala ka mo hawid, then you can PIP install pandas. So tapos na installed, successfully installed na sila. Selecting pandas, cache pandas. So tapos na. Next step is create a Python file and start coding. So may ato Python file, new file, Python file. So ang example ng code, copy talaga, and then run Python file. So islan to ning halan min or test, save. So let's see. So guys, we're good to go. So gagana na ang aton nga Visual Studio.